With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that the image formed by an objective of a compound microscope is. Okay, so basically what is objective? Objective is the front lens, okay, in near which the object is. So basically there is two lenses. There is the objective which is small and there is a eyepiece which is larger, okay. So basically let's suppose this is the eyepiece over here, okay, and the smaller one is the objective, okay. And one more thing we need to draw is the principal axis, okay. Let's suppose this is the principal axis. So now what we have to do, let's suppose this is the object. So what will happen over here is that the rays of light will go from the object itself, okay, and it will go through the focus of this and basically form a real image, okay. Why the image is real? Basically I'll explain you. This image is real because basically you can clearly see this is forming in inverted position, and clearly the image is not forming in this part of the thing, that virtual plane, okay, means the image is obviously not virtual. So this is basically the object, okay. I'll draw the object properly, okay, and this is basically the image, and basically the eyepiece, this is the eyepiece, okay, eyepiece, and basically this is the objective. So objective always forms a real and means basically real and enlarged image, okay. But if you see for basically this eyepiece, if you see for an eyepiece, then what will happen is that the eyepiece does something that is quite nice. That is basically the eyepiece forms the only virtual image, okay. Means basically let's suppose this is the thing and the eyepiece is forming a virtual image basically, but that is also enlarged, okay. That means what, these two lines will basically go in this plane and meet somewhat over here, okay. You can clearly see this is a virtual image. This is what a virtual image concept is. So basically the image will be formed somewhat over here, okay. I'll draw in dotted lines because this is a virtual image, okay. So the image will be somewhat over here and it will be large. So if you see, the object form means the image formed by the eyepiece is basically virtual and large, okay, but image formed by the objective is basically real and large, okay, real and large. That means what, our answer will be option number C, that is real and enlarged. Got it? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.